In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to create a gradient background in Canva. Let's start. Open Canva and create a new project. Method 1. Go to the Apps tab. Scroll down and select Backgrounds. Search for Gradient. Choose your favorite style and click to apply it to your page. Method 2. Go to the Elements tab, search for Gradient, and switch to the Photos category. Pick a gradient image, add it to your page, then right-click and select Set as Background. Method 3. Click the background layer on your page. Go to the Background Color tool, and at the bottom left, select Gradient. Choose a preset gradient or click Add a new color to customize it. Adjust the colors and the gradient style like linear or radial as needed. And that's it! Use these methods to design stunning gradient backgrounds. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.